Welcome to this little slice of Jax Beach heaven. Upon entry you'll find the sun-drenched living room with natural light pouring in through plantation shutters. Hardwood floors and fresh paint throughout the interior of the home give you that beachy coastal vibe and are a breeze to clean and maintain. Don't miss the tasteful marble tile wall in the first-level half bath. No details were overlooked when it was thoughtfully designed. Make your way up to the second interior level to check out the stunning kitchen, including granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a built-in wine fridge. Enjoy breakfast indoors off of the kitchen or step outside the sliding glass doors to enjoy coffee on the rear balcony. The third level features all 3 bedrooms, with a primary split for privacy. The main bedroom includes a walk-in closet with built-in shelving, a spacious bathroom with a walk-in shower and separate soaking tub, and a private front balcony. The other 2 bedrooms also include built-in shelving in the closets and share a full bath with walk-in shower. Parking will never be an issue, featuring an attached 2-car rear entry garage, 2 rear driveway spots plus 2 concrete pad parking spots directly in front of the home. Only 2 blocks to the beach and less than a block from shopping and restaurants, you'll never have to venture far from home.